Hello and welcome to the Notepad section. This is your go-to place to jot down quick ideas or store various resources. How this Notepad section works is it's based in a database where you can add new pages and elements. So for example, if you're looking to write down ideas for, say example, an Instagram reel, you click the new page button, type in the topic, so Instagram page, so Instagram reel, and then you click on in here and you have your own page. We recommend putting a category, like could be artwork, could be business, and if you're missing a tag or want to add a new one, just type it in. Social media, press enter, and then we recommend you put the date for when you make this note, just so you have a personal reference. Here you can write a description, you can edit this page just like it's any other page in Notion, so you can turn this into headers, add colored backgrounds, and even import photos and really make this your personal page. So it can be anything like putting down a description and then coming back and giving comments like, good idea, saw another reel, check link below. You can come in, you can put links, and then anything you write, you can come in and edit and review and leave further comments. Was a good idea, not a great reference. And you can make this not just a place for where you keep notes, but it can be an ongoing place where you kind of edit, adapt, review, and see what you're working on. Sometimes it's more like just a notepad for a piece or an idea that you're not quite ready to put in other parts of Notion and you want a place to put it down. Or sometimes it's this place where you come back and you evolve ideas and then you take this inspiration part and incorporate it with the rest of your Notion. If you click back immediately, it'll take you back here, but you'll notice when you're in a full page, if you click immediately back, it's just the database. And if you go back one more time, it's this Notepad section. Say you had one that you don't really like and you want to get rid of it, you can always right click and delete it. Or say you made a tag and you don't really like it, or say you spell it wrong, social media, you can just go in, delete it off here, go to the ellipses, and delete any tags that you don't want. So this is your kind of go-to personal space to kind of keep notes, keep it organized, and stay on top of things while you're on the go.